now exchange the ring. Let these rings be a sign that your love has a past, present, and future. Jamil and Kelly rings, and place it on her finger and repeat after me. Repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring.
as a sign that I choose you
The sign that I choose you
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
my partner,
my partner,
and my best friend
my best friend,
to the end of my days.
to the end of my days.
Kelly, take Jamil's ring and place it on his fingers and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign that I choose you
as a sign that I choose you
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
my partner,
my partner,
and my best friend
my best friend.
to the end of my days. My love already shared by your heart has been strengthened by the vows you have taken.